Now I'm going to show you guys on this 19 TLX how to remove this lower skid plate, plastic skid plate. It's got a bunch of 10s and a bunch of clips. So I'm going to take the 10 first, and I'm going to take all the 10s out that I see. Oh, it's got a couple of screws too, looks like. There's one here. That's loose there. There's a 10 here, and there's a. So these light colored ones go plastic to plastic. It looks like. Whew. Then the clip remover. There's a bunch of these guys sitting here. One. Most cars might not even have this, if you guys destroyed it and you want to take it out. This might require a lift because of how deep it goes in. Let's see. Oh, there's more here. Look at that. Acura made sure. Oh, I broke that clip. Looks like this thing had some sand somewhere because it's. Alright. We're getting closer and closer. There's another clip here. They got clips everywhere. They want to make sure this thing doesn't rattle. These are big Phillips. Okay. Looks like it's a Star, it's a T30. It's a T30, big bolts. There's only one on this side. These are all loose. And there's also one up here. Guys, let me show you, come around this way. There's one right here. Let's connect to the liner. So, and there's one more too. So this is not just the only one. Oh, there's one also down here, right in here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right in here. You see it, Corey? Huh. And then right here, come here. Right in here, it's connected, like it's sewn into each other. See this right here? It slides into here, so. That's how this belly pan comes off. This is not in bad shape. You can probably bend that back and reuse it. It's not that bad.